Lesson 29 and 30, D scale with pictures and quiz on scales. If you're working from the book, the pictures have a close-up of what the left fingers look like when you play the D scale. For the sake of the video, I'm going to actually play the scale with proper playing position and bow so you can see better. And we're getting close to playing with the violin on the shoulder and learning how to hold the bow. So stick with me because we have a few more songs to learn before we move on to proper playing position and playing with the bow. So recall that the D scale starts with open D, ends with 3 fingers on A. The range is an octave or 8 notes. Then we're going to use open D, first finger, second finger, third finger, open A switch strings, first finger, second finger, third finger. We're going to repeat the top note and then go backwards. All right, so here's D scale with the bow in 1 octave range. And next we have quiz on scales. So number 30, quiz on scales. Question 1. A scale is blank number, blank, what kind of numbers and notes? Question 2. A scale must blank and blank with the same note. So this talks about starting and ending. What kind of notes? A scale must start and what about the same note at the very end of it? Question 3. Write the letters of F scale. Even though we haven't learned all the flats and sharps and how music theory works, we know the following rules. That the first note of the scale names it. That the scale must have 8 consecutive notes, meaning one after the other. So we're going to actually, for this answer, we're going to build the F scale using those rules. So we know that the first note of F scale must be F. We know that the last note of F scale must also be F. And we know that between F, we need to go in adjacent notes, meaning one after the other, until we get 8. So F scale, the notes will be F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And to be technical, an F scale must have a B flat. A flat looks kind of like a half of a grape, and a flat makes a note a half step lower. So we're going to talk about the whole and half steps of a major scale later, but for now just know that F scale, the letters are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. As a challenge, try plucking open strings D scale hackers buns with the eyes closed and walking around, but obviously with your eyes open. Right? So you can also do, if you want a silly activity, you could sit and stand while playing the violin, which will make it crazy hard, but something like this. So like Hawker's Bonds on the G string, let's say B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, B, A, G. Anything to make it more challenging and fun so that you get to repeat and master all of these basic skills so that later on, learning new songs and learning with proper positions will be easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.